Okay, welcome back today with the jerk chicken with Chef Ricardo was telling you about. This is 24 hours now since I've been soaking the beautiful Jamaican jerk chicken. Today we're gonna put it on the grill outside and we're gonna see how everything done with this Jamaican jerk chicken recipe from Chef Ricardo. I just take the chicken from the nice and beautiful, as you can see the chicken looking so nice and beautiful from Chef Ricardo recipe today. And today we're gonna put it on the grill outside. On the grill today with the Jamaican jerk chicken from Chef Ricardo. Nice recipe. I love it. Looking really nice and beautiful. And this jerk chicken, we're gonna have it with some nice, beautiful Jamaican coconut rice. So coconut rice with jerk chicken today from Chef Ricardo. Guys, see how this recipe go. Beautiful and nice chicken from Chef Ricardo today. Really nice one. Love how this chicken look. Beautiful. And now we're gonna put it on the grill on the outside from Chef Ricardo. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put on some chicken on the grill. Really nice and beautiful Jamaican jerk chicken. As I said before, this is what it's gonna look like. You can see I'm putting them on right now. Looking really nice and beautiful Jamaican jerk chicken from Chef Ricardo today. You can smell that beautiful scent coming up. Really nice. You can see we are getting right here with this beautiful Jamaican jerk chicken today from Chef Ricardo. When we do this now, I'm gonna give you a little secret. Really nice and beautiful Jamaican jerk chicken today from Chef Ricardo. Beautiful good chicken here, and you can see it's getting right here. So all of these sauces right here, man. Lovely Jamaican. I'm just gonna cover it up now for about 5 more minutes. Really nice and beautiful. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna spin around on some of the chicken and to see what they look like. It's getting right here, nice and beautiful, as you can see. This is the homemade jerk season from Chef Ricardo today. Beautiful one today from Chef Ricardo. Looking really nice. And as you can see, it's getting right here, right where we want it to be. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo. want to say to you now, this chicken is the last piece of the chicken. The chicken is ready, and this is beautiful and nice. Look at it, really nice and beautiful. Well done on the grill today. As I can say, Chef Ricardo jerk chicken, really nice and beautiful today from Chef Ricardo. Guys, I'm going to share this with some really nice Jamaican coconut rice today. You're going to love this recipe. Nice one. If you follow my recipe, you can't go wrong. Lovely one from Chef Ricardo today, as you can see. Nice and beautiful. Well, this is the lovely Jamaican chicken right here. This is the Jamaican jerk chicken right here, which I do make today. That chicken where you see I marinate and put it on the grill outside. And I got some lovely Jamaican coconut rice right there. And I got the fried plantain. Remember I told you the fried plantain, you can go with anything, you know, where you like to put it with. So I put it with some coconut rice and some jerk chicken and some fried plantain. Beautiful and nice from Chef Ricardo today. You guys are gonna love this recipe, and I tell you, you're gonna see the next one, which I'm gonna come in with the Jamaican chicken soup from Chef Ricardo. Remember my website, www.chefricardo.co.uk.